everyone. Welcome back to Schabenverse. Breaking news from the U.S. financial markets. The S&P 500 has erased all of its earlier gains and has turned negative, catching investors by surprise. So, what caused this sudden reversal? Is this just a temporary pullback, or is it the beginning of something much bigger? Let's break it all down. The S&P 500 opened the trading session with positive momentum. Investors were optimistic, and stocks were moving higher. However, as the trading day progressed, heavy selling pressure entered the market. Those earlier gains completely disappeared, and the index slipped into negative territory. This type of reversal usually signals that investor confidence has weakened during the trading session. Why did the market reverse? There are several possible reasons. First, investors may have decided to take profits after recent gains. Second, concerns about inflation, interest rates, or the overall economy can quickly change market sentiment. Third, unexpected news or comments from policymakers can trigger rapid selling across the market. When large institutional investors begin selling, markets can reverse very quickly. The S&P 500 is one of the world's most important stock market indexes. It tracks 500 of America's largest companies, including major technology, financial, healthcare, and consumer businesses. When the S&P buy falls, it often reflects broader concerns about the U.S. economy and investor confidence. Because of its importance, investors around the world closely monitor every major move. Many crypto investors wonder whether stock market weakness affects Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The answer is sometimes yes. If investors become more cautious, they may reduce exposure to risky assets, including cryptocurrencies. However, Bitcoin doesn't always move with stocks. Sometimes Bitcoin falls alongside the stock market. Other times, it behaves independently, especially when crypto-specific news drives prices. That's why traders should watch both markets carefully. Market volatility is completely normal. One negative trading session doesn't automatically mean a long-term bear market has begun. Investors should avoid emotional decisions. Instead, focus on risk management, diversification, and long-term investing strategies. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Today's reversal reminds us how quickly financial markets can change. The S&P 500 moved from gains to losses within the same trading session, highlighting ongoing uncertainty. The next few trading sessions will be important in determining whether this is only a temporary pullback or the beginning of a larger market correction. What do you think? Will the market recover, or is more downside coming? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Schabenverse, and I'll see you in the next video.